what's up? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mostown. Yan. And we're gonna roaming here. See? Oh, see? May mga kantahan. What's up? Anong meron doon? Right? So, let's see. Hindi naman natin maintindihan yan kung ano. Alright, mga girls. Tignan natin. Ayan. So, may mga show. So, hindi ko siya maintindihan, guys. Kaya, keep roaming here. So, lalabas ako dito. Mag-exit ako and I'm gonna going to the Philippine market. Right? Ang ganda dun, oh. Right. Right. So, shortcut tayo dito sa may Sasa side and Photomax. See? So, it's break time, guys. For 20 minutes, it's my break to walk. Because tomorrow, it's 6-7 days na meron tayong work. So, ikot ako dito and palabas ako dyan sa what's that? Sa pintuan na yan, sa exit na yan. Then, I'm gonna go to the Philippine market and I'm gonna show you what they have there. Ayan, exit tayo. Right. Alright. So, ayan yung view, oh. Puro building dito. See? Alright, pasok tayo sa entrance na yan. Here it is. So, punta tayo sa lift. Sa, what do you call that? Escalator. Cheng! Then, we're gonna going down. Alright. So, we're here. I'm here in the Philippine market. Here in Price Mart. And see? There's more food to buy. So, there is banana. Nilagang banana and yung ganyan. O, diba? Tingin tayo kung anong meron. Oh my God, there's a hotdog and the pansit, magic syrup. Alright, tingin tayo. Then, alright, then charan, here it is. We are here in the Philippine market. Alright, perfect. So, kumpleto. So, ayan yung mga sales associate and the in charge. And then, I'm gonna look for the pampaganda, of course. So, wala silang bellow. So, I'm gonna look for bellow, right? Going to the other side. And now, I'm gonna move to the other shop kasi walang bellow doon. Ang gaganda, oh. At, wow, may ukay pa. Ayan, daming ukay, oh. So, lumipat tayo dito sa kabilang shop. Kasi I'm gonna look for the bellow. At tignan natin. Ayan, ang daming mga kabayan dito. Right? So, dito may bellow. Hello, bellow! Baka naman. Ayan tayo ngayon. So, eto na lang. So, try na natin tong kunin. Wala nang iba. Right? Bellow. Baka naman. At syempre may peanut dito. Ayan. Dito tayo ng peanut. Philippine market. Yan, ang Philippine product. Try natin. Ito na lang bilhin ko. Ted. Isa lang. Ah, dalawa na lang. Itong ube. Bago to?
Ube saka?
Ube, dalawang ube. Ha? 77 na yan? And then, kunin natin yung ating change. Charan! So, lumabas na tayo. Bye!